Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google account and iPhone with iOS supported by the app. Open App Store, search Google Play Games, and tap Install. This gets the client onto your device. Once done, sign into your Google account inside the app so cloud saves sync. Make sure to grant permissions, location for regional features, notifications for events, and storage for downloads, because without them, some features won't load properly. Next, you navigate the app to find playable titles and cloud-synced games. Tap Games to browse or cloud to see streamable options. This differentiates installed versus streamed play. Adjust settings. Select your Google profile, configure controllers if you use Bluetooth, and verify cloud save is enabled so progress syncs across devices. Make sure to link any in-game accounts, because doing so preserves purchases and progress when you switch between apps. Finally, you launch a game and test input responsiveness. Change graphics or performance mode in the app to balance battery and smoothness. Pair a Bluetooth controller if preferred, and remap buttons in settings when available. If performance lags, clear cache, ensure a strong Wi-Fi or cellular connection, and close background apps to free memory. If things still fail, sign out of your Google account and sign back in, or reinstall Play Games. This often resolves sync or launch errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.